So your web scrapers are failing, right? Let's dive into exactly why and how you can fix them. Look, scraping isn't just a simple script anymore. It's become a complex adversarial game of cat and mouse. Seriously, the old playbook is totally broken. You're probably getting blocked before you even send one request. And that means the tools have completely changed. We've gone from simple libraries to the sophisticated modern stack. The fight has moved way down the stack. We're now in a network layer war over your TLS fingerprint. Basically, anti-bot systems check your very first packet to see if you look like a real browser. Trying to scrape Nike with an AWS IP? It's like walking into a bank wearing a ski mask. It's not just the IP. Your script's fingerprint and the data center's ASN are a dead giveaway. You're blocked instantly. The solution? Impersonate a browser's signature perfectly. That's where something like curl CFI comes in. Just look at this comparison. Only curl CFI is built from the ground up for fingerprint impersonation. But the arms race just keeps escalating. Winning the network war isn't enough. Now there's the browser layer. And here's the next big thing, DSCC. It cryptographically binds a session cookie to the physical hardware. So your scraper's machine doesn't have that specific hardware key. The stolen cookie is completely useless now. The takeaway here is huge. Traditional cookie harvesting is basically dead for sites that use this tech. Okay, so the paradigm is shifting again. We're moving from defined scraping to something called agentic scraping. Think about it. Brittle selectors break with any site change, but an AI agent just understands the page. But look, getting the data is only half the battle, right? You absolutely have to ensure its quality. And that's where Pydantic comes in. It's all about enforcing a strict schema right at extraction. This completely prevents that garbage in, garbage out problem. No more massive data cleaning headaches later on. So let's put it all together. This is the modern blueprint for scraping success in 2025. So the real question is this: are you fighting a 2025 war with tools from 2015?